Where is this guy since the morning? I've been calling him since then. He's not even picking up my call.
Hey, my G.
Which one is my G? I don't like this.
What's up now? Come. How are you?
I'm fine.
So why do you call me like? How
I
you
cook
be?
your favorite meal.
My favorite meal. Makes sense. One good chow. What else?
Stop, Joe.
Yeah, let's go. Okay. My G.
Stop calling me my G.
What's they
I
do
don't
this
like.
one like this?
So come on, show you something.
What you want to show me
Show
now?
you something.
What do you want to show me
I'll
like?
show you something.
What?
Jesus.
What is it now? Why are you bending down now?
Oh.
Stand up. I don't like the way you're doing. What is it now? Eh? What is it? You're not telling me. I don't like all this thing you are doing, Jerry.
Sir.
Hey, these people know. So you're just holding me like this.
Why you doing like this? Can't I hold you again? Come
You can hold me now, but it shouldn't be every time. You're my friend, bro. Like, what is it? Why you now holding me like that? You can hold me.
You're giving me
you can hold me now.
reaction like that.
You can hold me. I'm sorry. So you can hold me.
Just leave me.
This girl. Why she come on the face like that? But I suppose beg and
Sir, I'm sorry I reacted like that.
So
I'm sorry.
it's been not supposed to be telling you sorry like.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry very late.
Yeah, come let me hold you. Sorry, it's okay.
You held me very well.
I'm holding you. It's okay. Yeah.
I'm sorry.
It's okay, yeah. So we'll go get something now.
Yeah, no.
My G.
This one is my G. I've already told you that you stop calling me my G.
Let's just leave here. Now, just bro. Yeah, I don't like. No, see, you do it first before you say you want to say. You do it first before you say what you want to say.
It's just bro. I be so simple like that.
What is it?
So I want to tell you something.
What's that? Talk now. Why they do like you know my G now? So that's what they do. Yeah, sorry. So what do you say?
Can you just close your eyes?
Just close my eyes. She wants surprise. Everything is so. Wants surprise. Oh yeah, sorry.
I don't even know whether I should kiss him or not.
I'm not close my eyes. So waiting is so now.
Signs and he did not even notice. Like, and I'm really, really in love with this guy. God. Musa.
I don't sleep.
You
want to give me something? You're hiding something from me already, right?
No.
What is it now? This guy look like this. They just go. I want to sleep. I want to sleep. I swear. Where they go now? Pass now. Wait till they saw. Pass. This one. Who's that one again? Who is this now?
I miss you.
Hey, my G.
Stop now. Which one is my G again? I told you stop calling me my G.
You said you miss me.
Yes, I miss you.
Or we just see now, like.
Stop, I miss you.
You miss me?
Yeah, I miss you.
Yeah, I miss you now. Yeah, I miss my friend. My lovely friend.
Let's just leave this place.
Something Binuni. Go about Joe. Sharp.
I got you this.
Why, boy? Tell me you know guide now. Sharp.
I got it for you.
Makes sense.
You did not even calm down.
Sorry.
Calm down now.
I'm not going
God. Why you always like this every time? I'm saying you're still playing game.
Yeah, sorry. What do you
be acting all talent?
What do you want now? Bro! Go far, guys.
Bro, for night,
Hey, what's up? How are you now? Yeah, fine. I'm fine. I'm good.
I miss you.
You miss me? But I just every time they miss me. Yeah, no, I will sleep. I'm with my guy, okay?
Bro, I can't excuse
my G.
Bro, you didn't mad. You didn't call this guy your G, bro.
Now my G now. We gotta waiting soap. We are waiting soap.
Yo, bro, see how this guy pack. Bobby can't give you Bobby. This is my Bobby. Have it. All these Bobby is for you. Take.
Serious?
Bro, can't get sense, bro.
I don't know, but wait. I said I don't defeat the Bobby touches.
Bro, you know, okay, it just come to your senses. Go pursue this girl for daytime.
Esther, wait. I swear I don't know.
What is it? What you need down now?
I don't know. See all these things you have been showing me since I don't know.
Just stand up.
Look at this.
Just stand up.
See the way he's shaking.
Just stand up.
I'm so sorry. I don't know. Can I have all this now?
No, you can have all this to yourself.
Call this to myself.
You can have all this to yourself.